Now students, I want to discuss with you a model question paper. This is the question paper 2019. Time is given to you 3 hours 15 minutes and marks 100. Instructions are given. Follow the prescribed limit while answering the questions. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 80 to 100 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 152 ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. 2 ಕಡೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದರೆ 0 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್. Here there are 12 questions. So you have to answer all the 12 questions. There is no option here, okay? So question number 1. Who made a friendship with the man in the Gentleman of the Jungle? So answer is elephant. What does the schoolboy love to do in the morning? Listen to the bird song, distant huntsman's horn. Question number 3. Who promised Mara to give his whole plantation? The gold man, God man or the white man? Question number 4. What were the daily occurrences in the city where the narrator stayed in Oru Manushan? Murder, theft and crime. Question number 5. The speaker in the poem Money Madness is frightened of having no money, having mindness, eating dirt. Money Madness. Question 6. Who is the illiterate fishmonger in the lesson Babar Ali, Tulurani Hazra? What does the word beard mean in the poem If I Was a Tree? Tree, pieces of dry wood. What was Mara's last request to the king in the play Watchman of the Lake? To kill him. Which crop did the farmer grow in the poem The Farmer's Wife? Cotton crop. Where was Frederick Douglass born? Maryland, Hillsborough. Now 11th question. The old woman's eyes are compared to bullet holes. Why did the 2 boys wait in the deserted square late at night in 2 Gentlemen of Verona to sell newspapers? So 12 questions are over, 12 marks. Question number Roman number 2. Answer in 8 of the following in a paragraph of 80 to 100 words each. So 8 you have to answer. There will be 10 questions here. 2 options will be given. Then 80 to 100 words, see that you answer 80 to 100 words. And the marks are 4 marks each for one, so 32 marks totally. Question number 13. How did the elephant justify its act of occupying the hut? The elephant went to the man when it was in difficulty and asked him to give a place to keep its trunk to protect it from rain. A man showed sympathy and gave permission to keep his trunk only as there was enough place for its trunk and himself. But the elephant slowly sneaked in and occupied the whole hut and threw him out by saying that it would protect his hut from the hurricane. Next, question number 14. How does the formal education curb the learner's potential in the poem The Schoolboy? The formal education is the obstacle for free learning to the children. Children prefer natural learning than formal schooling. The restrictions of formal schooling made children to detest their learning. Hence, the most questions when the buds are nipped and blossoms are blown away and tender plants are stripped. How can a child get happiness in learning? Question number 15. What was the story behind Mara's loss of teeth around a medicinal creeper? This lesson is not there for you, so I am not going to read the answer for you. Question number 16. Bring out the significance of Mara's death in the play Watchman of the Lake. The poem Money Madness. This has already been discussed in the answer, but the answer here what is given is wrong answer. It is for Money Madness. Next. Discuss the plight of farmer's widow in reference to the poem The Farmer's Wife. The poem The Farmer's Wife is a tragic poem that reflects the helpless condition of farmer's widow. The plight of the widows is explained by one such widow. The poet uses many phrases to contrast her condition with that of her dead husband. She called the farmer as virtuous and herself a poor sinner. The farmer was unable to pay the debts and he felt all the debts to his wife. So she was very sad on this act of committing suicide. The feminist concept was also highlighted in the poem The Praise I Was Born with a Head Bent, justifies the discrimination in our society between men and women. Man is born with his head high, but a woman is born with her head bent. But he did not face his creditors bravely and left all this to his wife to solve. She accused her husband that he poisoned himself and gone away by poisoning his wife's existence. She remembered the memories of the beating, blaming, drinking, and kicking, haunting her. She never dreamt that he would commit suicide. It was true that the crop was gone, but the debt remained there, and dignity had it hit the dust. She expresses her helplessness that how would she be able to bear the burden of their 4 children. She compared her condition with worm-eaten cotton pods. She got ambiguity and asked what was that and why he committed suicide. At last, she confidently asserts her determination to struggle out a life even without her husband for the sake of her children. So she shows a strong will to survive against all difficulties. Her voice is raised against the society in general. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜೀವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದರೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ದೃಢ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತನ್ನ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಜೀವಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಡ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಾಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೇವ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. Next, how does the speaker attitude undergo change in the poem An Old Woman? The poet, by depicting her physical appearance, makes an old woman more sympathetic. The passerby initially did not show much sympathy to her, but later, when she observes keenly her physical appearance and when she offended to become a tourist guide to show around the shrine, she was very much moved by her condition and admired her self-respect. Here, passerby represent anybody in general. Finally, when she feels as if the sky were falling with the sound of plate glass clatter all round, the old crone was shatterproof and standing alone. She undergoes a change in attitude, so the old woman was successful in evoking sympathy from anyone in front of the temple. Next question 21. How did the boys struggle to look after their sister Lucia? The 2 boys were devoted to their sister and to earn money for her treatment undertook all kinds of jobs available in Verona. They sold fruit, shined shoes, ran errands and hawked newspapers and worked hard throughout the day. Question 22. Why did poet ask his love, do not ask of me that love once I had for you? A transformation from imagination to reality can be seen in the perception of love. Every teenager lives in a world of illusion and dreams of his love. But when he is more mature and deals deep in society and problems, he realizes that love is not a complete world and there are other important issues also. Next, does the story Does the story Oru Manshan talk about transformation in a person? Discuss. The narrator uses to forego his breakfast and morning tea so that he had the money for his evening meal and tea. One day, as usual, he came to the crowded restaurant and had his regular meal and tea. When he had to pay the bill, he realizes that his wallet had been picked. He revealed his fact to the owner, who only found it funny and laughed out loud. Though the narrator offered to leave his coat with the owner, he forced the narrator to take off all his clothes. As the narrator was very much ashamed taking off his trousers, A stranger stopped him and paid the bill. He later made the narrator wear his clothes and took him away. When the narrator praised and thanked him, the stranger just laughed. He did not reveal his name, but only warned the narrator against speaking about him. The stranger showed 5 violets to the narrator, out of which one was the narrator's. The stranger told the narrator to check whether his money was intact, and he wished him good luck. The narrator had mixed feelings by now. It was clear that his humiliation at the restaurant was due to the stranger's picking his wallet and rendering him helpless. But he was also thankful for his help at that present moment, avoiding the humiliation of standing stark naked in front of all the people. He felt that the stranger had perhaps undergone his transformation during his own interaction with the restaurant owner. This made him say at the end, "My God help you. May God help you," and leave without saying anything more to the stranger, and left without saying anything more to the stranger. This I already explained recently. Or here there is option, okay? Or how did Mara save the lake in the play Watchman of the Lake? The initiation is a defined success, but Babar Ali's intention then he started his school was to help the less fortunate people by providing them free education. Today, more and more village of people have realized this opportunity of his and are coming up in a society. Moreover, we can clearly see that Babar Ali's sanction has inspired millions of people around the world. If more people take part to change the world for better, there will be greater success than he would have wished for. Babar Ali has brought about the change he wanted to see in the surrounding. If young boy from a village had the will and determination to make a change in the world there, it is not right on our part to remain as much spectators hut. We must also actively participate towards bringing the change. Next question is read the passage and answer the questions. You are getting 10 questions. 10 into 1 is 10. Next question, fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions given in the bracket. One of two boys had one dashed jersey and cut off khaki pieces. Anybody is able to give the answers for this? Okay, we'll continue. A, on, the and in is the right answer. A, on, the, in. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the suitable form of the vegetables in bracket. We dash Sana to go some creepers from the forest. We sent Sana to go get some creepers for the forest. He dash. So we sent Sana to get, we sent, then he dash a whole bundle. He brought a whole bundle. Mara opened the bundle. He suddenly looked at one of the creepers and dash, scolded. Next, choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject now. The commission dashed to take the evidence. Sit or sits because commission is singular there, though many are there. Correct the following sentence, rewrite. I get up at 6 am in the morning. So what your command is? Answer is what is your command? Means you have to correct the sentences and rewrite them. Next one, question number E. Rewrite as directed. Question 39. The bus dash has been increased. First fare or second fare? First fare. Students learn the correct dash. pronunciation. Complete sentence with the right form of the word given in the bracket. Pronunciation, noun form you have to use here.